Calling all tool devotees, we've arrived with another thrilling video showcase featuring 15 Ryobi tools. Ryobi stands as a premier manufacturer in the tool realm, particularly shining in the landscaping and gardening spheres. So buckle yourselves in and prepare to witness our video unveiling the 15 coolest Ryobi power tools that demand your attention.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at D-Tech TS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
Now don't be fooled by the tiny size of the next tool. This Ryobi USB lithium foam cutter kit can be your go-to solution for cutting, shaping, and shaving various types of foam with ease. This innovative tool heats up rapidly in under 2 minutes, ensuring minimal wait time before diving into your projects. With dual heat settings, you have precise temperature control to tailor to your specific project requirements. The kit includes 3 different foam cutting tips for versatility: the hot wire tip for carving and shaping foam, the precision engraving tip for adding texture or detail, and the holing tip for cutting out shapes or digging holes. Enjoy uninterrupted workflow with a tool-free tip change feature and enhance your capabilities with the compatibility of the Ryobi ONE+ battery system. Whether you're upcycling furniture or embarking on DIY projects, this foam cutter is your ultimate companion for precision foam work. When on a job site or just an outdoor gathering, a power cooler will stand beside you like a blessing. Introducing the Ryobi 18V Power Cooler, your ultimate outdoor companion for keeping food and drinks cool this summer. With a generous 23L capacity, it easily accommodates up to 33 330 milliliters cans and offers temperature control from 20 to -20 degrees Celsius, doubling as a freezer for added convenience. Equipped with a drainage plug for easy cleaning and a swing handle with robust wheels for effortless transportation. Whether it's a day at the pool, beach, camping, festivals, or fishing trips, this cooler is designed for convenience on the go. Dual 18V battery ports ensure extended runtime, while the built-in bottle opener adds to its functionality. Plus, with the included AC wall plug and 12V car adapter, power options are versatile, ensuring you stay cool wherever you are. Now imagine you're camping deep in the woods, surrounded by nature's beauty, but suddenly the power goes out, leaving you in complete darkness. That's when the Ryobi RP361 800 Power Hub comes to your rescue. This powerful and portable power station inverter can provide electricity for all your essential 240V electrical devices and sensitive electronics, ensuring you never have to go without power when you need it the most. With multiple USB outlets, including 2 USB-C and 4 USB-A ports, you can charge all your devices that require USB charging. Plus, this power station converts 36V to 240V using Ryobi 36V batteries, allowing you to power up devices rated up to 600W in total. Want to keep your lawn looking neat and tidy? Look no further than the Ryobi R18 XLT-24 line trimmer. With its adjustable cutting path of 28 by 33 centimeters, you can easily control the width of your trimming and maximize your battery runtime thanks to the speed selector and variable speed trigger. This trimmer gives you precise control, making it easy to get those perfect lines around your lawn edges. Plus, the auto feed head is spooled with a 2.0mm trimming line, providing excellent cutting performance and making it simple to reload. Whether you're a seasoned lawn care pro or just starting out, the Ryobi R18 XLT-24 line trimmer is the perfect tool for keeping your lawn looking its best. No time to explain, you're frustrated with your corded sander that's difficult to maneuver, and you're tired of being tethered to a power outlet. Keeping that in mind, Ryobi made this R18 PSO Corner sander that provides corded-like performance with the freedom of cordless. Its compact design allows you to sand into tight spaces, while the triangular pad shape lets you sand right up to the edge. Not just that, it comes with a quick-fit hook and loop sanding sheet attachment, so changing accessories will be a breeze. While operating for long periods of time, the sander's grippy surface causes no fatigue or palm strain. Say goodbye to the hassle of corner sanding and hello to the convenience of the Ryobi R18 PSO Corner sander. The Ryobi pivoting screwdriver is a versatile power tool designed for increased accessibility and convenience during various applications. First and foremost, it packs a unique mechanism with its pivoting head, which lets you navigate even the trickiest of corners and angles. Plus, it features onboard bit storage that will ensure you never lose your bits again. But wait, there's more. The dual LED work light will light up your work area like a treasure chest, making it easy to see what you're doing, even in extremely low light areas. The best thing about this tiny guy is it's part of the USB lithium system, so you can charge it up and take it with you wherever you go, just like a trusty sidekick. Tired of spending countless hours pruning your garden and yard with old outdated tools? You'll have a tidy look in no time with the Ryobi pruning shear. The sleek, powerful, and cordless tool will surely revolutionize your pruning game. Equipped with a top-of-the-line brushless motor, this bad boy can cut 1.5 times faster than the competition, and let's not forget about those bypass blades. They can make clean, complete cuts up to 1 inch in diameter, ideal for light pruning and limbering. But hold on, there's more. The Ryobi pruning shear also features an onboard LED work light, perfect for those early morning or late night pruning sessions. Meanwhile, the soft grip handle will keep your hands feeling as smooth as the cutting action. Now, long story short, nobody wants to struggle with bulky drill drivers and tight spaces or overhead work, and you don't have to with the Ryobi RDD-18C compact drill driver. Weighing comparatively light and having a compact size, this mini powerhouse is perfect for drilling holes and driving screws in even the toughest of applications. It's equipped with an 18V brushless motor that delivers up to 54 Nm of torque, while the 2-speed gearbox provides speeds of up to 1,700 RPM. Working in dimly lit areas? No problem. The onboard LED work light will keep your workspace illuminated. And it also features a standard 13mm chuck and adjustable clutch, which allows you to avoid over-tightening screws and damaging issues. In the early morning hours, you don't always get to stick to bed for hours. You've got some cleaning to do. This is where the Ryobi rotating wash brush comes in handy. It's a perfect pressure washer accessory for all kinds of outdoor cleaning. No matter which surfaces you need to clean away, plastic, metal, glass, or any, this brush easily takes them on with soft rotating bristles. This tool delivers gentle and absolutely scratch-free washing for glossy surfaces. And it also quickly connects to all standard pressure washers with the bayonet adapter or M22 adapter. After connecting to a pressure washer, it helps you to remove every speck of dirt, grime, oil, grease, and more. So go ahead, take your cleaning to the next level of comfort with Ryobi rotating wash brush. Now let's eliminate dirty hands when digging holes in the backyard. This is the Ryobi ODT-1800, a completely cordless planting and soil digging tool for DIY lawn maintainers and garden workers. It simply takes half of the energy and time you used to spend digging a hole to plant trees. This machine can make up to 40 holes after a single charge of its 5.0Ah battery. This just sounds too good to be true. It's also ideal for digging holes to make a letterbox, cloth line, and even small fencing projects. With a rugged design and stable ergonomics, this tool digs a 150mm diameter hole with around 800mm depth. Well, the electronic anti-kickback protection lets you get optimum control when the tool faces some rocks or roots. Meanwhile, the forward, reverse, and kickback off modes offer you more and more options for efficient digging. No doubt compact drills are the best way to make holes in tight spaces, but they have some limitations too. What if you got such a tool that goes where your regular drills can't? Meet Ryobi R18 right angle drill, an especially designed tool to give you easy access even in the tightest corners or most confined spaces. Despite having a minimalistic look, this drill equips a powerful and durable brushless motor that generates up to 40 Nm of torque, delivering you the strength to meet all your needs. Plus, it features a multi-grip paddle switch trigger to enable one-handed activation in different gripping positions. Another thing worth mentioning, the R18 right angle drill comes with a bright LED light to go well through poorly lit workspaces. No wonder the 2-speed gearbox will maintain the highest precision and greater versatility. Bulky angle grinders seem a bit cumbersome when you're undertaking some small cutting jobs and tight spaces. Keeping that in mind, Ryobi designed its RCT-18C compact cut-off tool with a super handy size and substantial power. First things first, it's fitted with a durable 76mm cutting wheel to get quick and easy access to tough corners and confined areas where a standard grinder can't reach. Thanks to the lightweight design and cozy appearance, this cut-off tool stands for one-handed use. Even overhead operations are no more a headache. Now worried about the hardest opponents, some metal, thick plastic, or concrete maybe? No problem, just pick it up and see it in action. Now here comes the Ryobi cordless 33cm lawnmower and 23cm grass trimmer starter kit, the perfect duo for shaping small to medium gardens with ease. The lawnmower boasts a compact and lightweight design, housing a 33cm cutting blade for efficient mowing. With a 5-position cutting height adjustment ranging from 25 to 65mm, it offers versatility across various terrains. Equipped with a mulching plug and a 35L grass catcher bag, it offers added convenience during mowing sessions. Plus, as a bonus, the kit includes a 1+ cordless 23cm grass trimmer for maintaining fine grass and pristine edges. With Ryobi's Easy Edge feature, quick transitions between edging and trimming modes are effortless. The trimmer all-metal boom ensures durability while keeping weight low, and the two-handle design enhances ergonomics for comfortable use. Complete with an auto feed spool featuring 1.6mm line trimmer, this starter kit provides all the tools needed for a well-groomed garden. Meet Ryobi cordless brushless power washer. It's the ultimate solution for hassle-free cleaning tasks. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of traditional pressure washers and embrace the freedom of cordless operation. With the included 6M siphoning kit, you can effortlessly pull water from any freshwater source, whether it's a bucket or a lake, eliminating the need for cumbersome hoses and power outlets. Whether you're cleaning your vehicle, bike, or any other surface, simply grab the Ryobi cordless brushless power washer, and you're ready to tackle your cleaning tasks with ease. Enjoy the convenience and versatility of cordless cleaning without the hassle and experience the power and efficiency of Ryobi's innovative technology. Ryobi cordless pruning saw, an essential addition to your gardening toolkit that will help you tackle a wide array of cutting tasks. Powered by innovative 1+ HP technology, this compact brushless pruning chainsaw offers 40% faster cutting speed compared to traditional models with just the pull of a trigger. Experience exceptional performance without the hassle of gas or cords. The included 2Ah battery allows for up to 21 cuts per charge, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Equipped with a substantial length bar and premium full house chain, this pruning saw delivers more aggressive and faster cuts. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, ideal for light pruning and limbering up to 4 inches. Enjoy ultimate convenience with tool-less chain tensioning and an oil-free design, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Whether you're trimming branches or shaping shrubs, the Ryobi cordless pruning saw offers the power and efficiency you need for all your pruning tasks. So these were our picks for 15 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.